Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss the stock that jumped 1000% in just 4 days. Before we go further, guys, our content here for education purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, guys, let me just show you what's going on. We got Beyond Meat, the stock that jumped 1000% in a span of 2 days, 1111% exactly, from below the $1 until almost the $10 in 2 days. In total, in 4 days, right now, we still today we have huge volume, over 1 billion worth of volume. However, today we have a correction. Even though we have a correction, we still up 14%. What's going on? This stock has been talked about in Reddit, and most it is like look at stock and the most active stock for this month. Plus, we got partnership with Walmart. This is latest news. Plus, we got Q4 earnings for the next week, on 4th of November. So there's a lot of news circulating, and this is translate to a volume and action for Beyond Meat. So what we should do for now? Are we too late after jumping 1000%? Or not? For now, we have three levels that we have to watch out for Beyond Meat, from my opinion, that might trigger a reversal. And of course, Beyond Meat is not the first time we discuss Beyond Meat. We already discussed Beyond Meat today in our pre-market watch list here. We discussed the 736, the $8.60 for Beyond Meat, and the other level that we discussed was around the $3.06. Once the price was around $3.06, we suggest to take profit around the 390 and the 520. This is for Beyond Meat in the last few days, because we always do update on our Discord and Patreon channel for the entry and exit for mini stocks before the jump, because right now we're already pulling back. The link comes section below, guys. So our Discord and Patreon, if you want to have those updates, and of course not missing out on the next squeezer and the next stock that do 1000%, because we've got many of them. So where the price will go, because right now is pulling back from the all-time high, almost the $8. We pulled back almost 50% for today. If you don't know, guys, if you were sleeping, in pre-market was 90% up Beyond Meat around the $8.80, and now it's pulling back toward a critical zone, which is over the $3.30. So for now, guys, we got a $3.30 as a support. The resistance, I'm gonna lower it at the moment around the 479, and we got other level that we might go to if we broke this level. So first of all, let's discuss the bearish side of this play, because it started to pull back. The bearish side is going toward the $3.30, and if we don't hold it, we have two levels around the $2.50 and the $1.80. For now, just think of it as a rocket going down to recharge. So there's two type of rocket. A rocket like from Tesla that would be reusable in order to launch it again, and of course the other rocket from NASA, which is go down and of course explode, and you can't reuse it. So now we need to confirm if Beyond Meat is usable rocket. This is analogy again, guys. It's not the stock is a rocket, but this is an example for you guys to understand it easier. Reusable rocket is mean the price will test this level, recharge, and go up. What I mean by recharging, I mean if the price tested this support, is actual charging point for this rocket to go higher again. So we got three levels. The first level, if we held it, will be the most important thing. Is mean the rocket will charge, or we have a big whale buying here over the $3.30. So if we don't break, it mean we're gonna have a reversal. Once we reverse, the first sign of another squeeze up and another charging toward the 6 and the 7 is breaking the 479, because if we reverse here and we get rejected here, is more likely that we're going to break the $3.30 and go nosedive toward the 248, and the other one is the 183. From my opinion, if we broke it, is mean this rocket is not reusable, and we're gonna have another further sell-off down. So for now, watch out for the $3.30 for today, and of course for tomorrow. If we broke it, watch out. If we held it and we broke the 479, this means we're gonna go further up toward the 619, 767, and the ultimate target, for my opinion, is around the $10.26, where we might have another pullback or another double charging up for a new level, where we're gonna discuss it in our Discord and Bitcoin in pre-market early on, because beyond meat, guys, in just 3 days, almost we got pre-market gap, or almost 4 days right now, almost every day. In after hours and pre-market, we have gapping up almost 100% and 90%. So we have to be ready for those updates that we're gonna do it early on our Discord and Patreon, because we do always pre-market alerts over there. And after that, on our live streaming 30 minutes before the market opens. So subscribe and put a notification in order to be notified once we go live to discuss Beyond Meat price action. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.